So, hello everyone. Hope you all are well. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. All the latest update related to TCS and all the new hiring requirements all will be posted here. You will watch it my YouTube channel and please subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's starting the today's video. So in today's video, I am going to share you about how we will raise RFC in TCS. Everyone knows about tickets, RFCs here. What is this and how? But the new joinees will not able to fill the RFC. So in this video, I am going to share the complete details of how we will access the RFC and from where we will get that. Okay, so first of all, the thing is that this is a Ultimatix portal you all will be familiar with. Now the second thing, you have to click on menu bar. Inside menu you will find applications. Inside application you will find employee services, and inside employee services you will find help and support. Inside this you will find TCS Global Help Desk. You have to click on this, and after clicking it will load and wait for some. This is a portal that helps us to raise tickets, RFC, CR, all the things that will be required for any installation or any problem occurred in your computer or laptop. So this is how the our global help desk looks like. The RFC registered for change. RFC, what does RFC is? RFC is for suppose we are having an issue while installing any software or with while working on any software, there is some error, then you will have to raise a ticket and you want to installation of some software. Then there is another way that you will register RFC. So I will show you how will register the RFC. The things that start, you will find my links. Inside my links you will find register RFC, view request, register ticket, view tickets, and declare backup and delegations. You will also register ticket by directly try it now or using this link, my links, register RFC. Then after the loading, so this is a page that RFC will be look like. So the first of things you have to do is RFC description. For RFC description, suppose we do not have an access of VPN, so we required access. So VPN access required. Okay, suppose this is our description. Then the second thing is we will have to select the catalog. How we will select the catalog, in which category the VPN is in. It is in IS security. Okay, so you have to click on IS security, then select the catalog item. You have to select the catalog item. You will see a lot of items: proxy, security control exceptions, elevated access requirements, firewall, data leakage, and all these. A lot more are there. You will have to find and connect with your team lead to get a proper catalog item in which you want to raise RFC. So in this case, for VPN access required, we will have to IS security, and the second catalog was firewall. Okay, then we have to click on continue. You will find this. And second, type of request. So we were to connect any connect VPN, and change request VPN access for Linux, and type of change, it should be of enable VPN access. Understood? And after this, RFC raised for individual, and start and end date should be there, and the end 2023. Okay, so this is the end date, and the team meet mail ID. You should provide your team mail ID. Who is your team lead? Okay, then after continue. After providing, if you want to upload any document, that then it's okay, unless you have to click continue. After clicking continue, you will find this bulk registration. In this you will have to click on first select and employee number. Your employee number should be there, host ID and project name, client operating system, whether it is of Ubuntu or CentOS OS. Okay, and after this, client operating version, and then client OS type, it should be of Linux, and if it is a window, then you have to connect with your IS team to get access for a VPN for your window. Okay, then URL, in which URL you want to access, click here, and if it is not, click here. Okay, and after that submit the ticket, RFC, submit the RFC. After successful submitting the RFC, you will find your RFC in view requests. Okay, yeah, view request, suppose this is your RFC, so you have to click on that RFC and finds that where the RFC is. Suppose first the RFC will be approved by your supervisor, then they will be sent to in a pool, then the pool will decide who will next see your uh, RFC. Then in this process is going on, and after successfully in the end you will find your installation or error resolved. Okay, so this is a whole process for registering RFC. So okay, so this is all about today's video. If you like, please like, say, subscribe and follow for more updates. Okay, have a nice day, take care.